are all fine in this pandemic period. Today we will discuss on a topic which is known as the transversal line. Transversal line, or generally we say that transversal only. Both have the same meaning, so don't be confused what is the transversal line or what is the transversal. Both are the same. In our last video, we have already discussed about the parallel line and the distance between the parallel line, and also we have seen the case in which two line segments are parallel or not, two rays are parallel or not, one ray and one line segment parallel or not. Here we shall discuss about the transversal line, which is also correlated with parallel line. So we define the transversal line. We say that a line which passes across two or more lines is known as transversal line, or a line which intersect two or more than two lines at different points, then the line is known as transversal line. So let us understand from the figure what is the picture of the transversal line, or what is the idea of the transversal line. When I draw here figure, then the concept of the transversal will clear. So let us see, there are two lines. M and N. There are two lines M and N, and another line which passes across these two lines, that is the L. Then we see that the line L intersect these two lines at different points, at the point A and at the point B, so that the line L which intersect the line M and N at the point A and B is known as transversal lines. Okay, so we define that a line which intersect two or more than two lines at different points, then such lines are known as transversal line. Here we can see that L, M, N and a line P. The line P also intersects the line L, M, N at the point A, B, C, so that the line P is known as the transversal line which intersect the line L, M, N at the point A, B and C. So it is known as the transversal line. But if we draw a figure like this, There are three lines L, M, N, and a line P intersect at the point A and at the point B. And the definition says that a line which intersect two or more lines at different points, then the line is known as transversal line. But in this figure we see that the line P intersect the line L at the point A, but the line M and line N are intersected by the line P at only the point B, so that it is not a transversal line, because the point of intersection at the point B is same for the line M and N, so it is not a transversal line. So those lines are said to be transversal line which intersect more than two line or two line at the different point. If the intersection point becomes same at any two line, then it will not remain transversal line. So I hope the definition of transversal line is clear to all. Now let us see angles formed by transversal line. In this figure, we can see that at the point A, there are four angles formed, and at the point B, there are also four angles formed. So these angles which form by intersecting by the line L, which is the transversal line, are known as the angle formed by transversal line. There are two types of line formed by the transversal line. The first is interior angle, and the second one is exterior angles. The angles formed by transversal are of two types. The first one is interior angle and the second is exterior angle. Now let us see what is the interior angle. The angles which formed by the transversal line have this common line segment, and they lie between the two given line. We say that the angle having a common line segment and lie between the two given line. In the figure, M and N are two given line and L is the transversal line, and the angle 3 4 and 5, 6 have the common line segment, that is A and B. The angle 3, 4, 5, 6 have the common line segment AB and also lie between the line M and N, so that the angle 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the interior angle. So that the interior angle are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are the interior angle, because these four angles have a common line segment, that is AB, and also lie between the given line M and N. They therefore called interior angle. And what is the exterior angle? Just opposite definition of the interior angle. The angle that do not have common line segment and also don't lie between the given line, known as exterior angle. Okay, so that here the angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angle, because they do not have the common line segment and also don't lie between the given line M and N. So that angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. These are the angles which do not have common line segment and also don't lie between the given line. They therefore called exterior angle. So that a transversal for two types of angle between the given line. Okay, and what are the interior angle and exterior angle? I explained here. What are the interior angle? The angle which have common line segment and also lie between the given line, and the angle which do not have common line segment and also do not lie between the given line. Let us see some more example of interior and exterior angle. If there are three lines given, that is L, M, N, and this is the transversal line which is denoted by P, then the angle formed by the transversal line are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9, angle 10, angle 11 and angle 12. There are 12 angle formed when a line intersects three given lines. Then angle 3, angle 4, angle 7, angle 6, angle 5 and angle 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are the interior angle because they have same line segment, that is AB, and also lie between two given lines L and M. Similarly, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9 and angle 10 are the interior angle because they also have a common line segment C and D and lie between the given line M and N. So they are also interior angle. So there are 8 interior angle. There are 8 interior angle, and angle 1, angle 2, angle 11 and angle 12 are the exterior angle because they do not have the common line and also do not lie between the given line, so that they are the exterior angle. I hope it is clear. So now let us see some example on the interior angle and exterior angle. Okay students, so there is an example in which we have to identify that which is the transversal line and which is not. So the given question is, in which of the following figure line L is transversal? That means here we have to find that in which figure, in which figure the line L is transversal and in which figure the line L is not transversal. So let us see. First of all, to identify which line is transversal, we have to still know about the definition of the transversal, because in the leg of the definition we cannot identify which one is transversal. So you need to learn the definition of the transversal. So what is the definition of the transversal line? A line which intersect two or more lines at the different point is known as the transversal line. There is no any restriction that the two or more lines that given are parallel or not. They may be parallel or they may not be parallel. So doesn't matter the given line is parallel or not. So there is must condition is that, important condition is that the line which intersect two or more lines, it intersect at different point. If it intersect at any point which is same for the transverse, for the line which intersect, then the line which intersect the given line is not really transversal. So that the question is given here, we have to find that the line L is transversal or not. In the first figure, we see that there is only one line, that is M is given, and the line L which intersect it. So according to the definition, the line which intersect two or more lines means there should be at least two lines given. But in the first figure, there are only one line given and a line which intersect it. Then they are only intersecting line. They are not transversal. So that the line L is not transversal. So the definition is not hold for the figure 1. And let us see in the figure 2. The figure 2, in figure 2 there are two lines M and N are given, and the line L is intersecting the two lines at the point A and at the point B, so that the intersecting points are different for each line. So that the second figure, the line L is transversal. And in the third case, here the line M and N are given, two lines, and the line L intersect the line M and N at different points P and Q. So that according to the definition, when a line intersects two or more lines at different points, then is known as the transversal line. So in the third figure, the line L is transversal. And in the figure 4, here we can see that there is only one intersecting point. So that it is not a transversal. I hope it is clear, and now I think that you are eligible to find out the transversal line from the given set of questions. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for watching this video.